Hello everyone, this is Santosh and welcome to Tech Design. So as you know by thumbnail, so we are going to learn how we can convert a part from inches to and mm to inches. So I'm going to show you any one. So the procedure remains same for inches to and to inches. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is for this example I'm going to show you one of the model. So this is the model. I have saved it in a desktop convert file and this is the part. So I'm going to open this. So once I open, you can see this is the model, and if you go to here in the assembly navigator, you can see the units. You can see the units, it is in So if you're not able to see this column, you can just right click here, go to columns and switch on this units. So now this particular model is in so I'm going to convert this into inches. So now what I'm going to do is, in order to do this, I'm going to close this component. So once you open that component, you cannot able to write that particular file, so we need to close that part. Once we close it, we know that it is saved in desktop or convert file folder. So we need two commands here. So you can see here, these are the two commands. So ug convert part inches and ug convert part So you need to select a command which the targeted file you want. So as you know that our particular part is in so I want to convert it into inches. So I'm going to copy this command. I'm going to give these two commands in the comment section or in the description. You can just copy it. So now I have copied it. So we need to go to start and type NX. So once you type in NX, go to apps here and you can see this command prompt. So tool NX command prompt. So you can click on this. Once you click on this, the command prompt will open and you need to paste the copied script. So this is the copied script I have pasted here, and just give one space, and here in the next you need to give the path where the part is located. So my part is located in the convert file over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it and drop it over here. So once this is done, you can just hit on enter and it will take some time. So let us wait for that. The time taken to convert these files will be based on the file, that how much it is big. Okay, so now as you can see here, one file is completely successfully converted, and 0 files generated warnings and 0 files failed to convert. So now you can see one file is completely converted. It means our file is now completely converted. So now we can close this. So now we'll just go to NX and open the particular part. So I'll just go to open desktop convert file, and this is the part, and I'm going to open this. So once you open this, you can just go to here. Now you can see here our part is converted to inches. So in the same way, if you want to convert from inches to so you're going to use this command. The other only command is going to change, the procedure remains closed. So make sure whenever you are changing the units, the part should be closed. Okay, hope you enjoyed this tutorial guys. If you have any questions, please comment in the section below. I'll try to answer. Thank you guys.